Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable the voice to text mode on your iPhone 17. At first open settings and now scroll down to the general over here. Now scroll till you see keyboard over here, and now when you are here in the keyboard, when I need to lower my brightness level, scroll down to the dictation over here. You can enable or disable the dictation, as you can see, and change the dictation language. Now you can go to notes, for example, continue, tap to enable, wait a moment, tap to enable the keyboard, tap this microphone icon and just say something. Hi everybody and welcome back. Great. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to use the voice typing on our iPhone 17. As you can see, it works. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.